Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Sarilla, consulting homeopath at Fiticus Homeopathy. What are the precautions you need to take if you're suffering from hair fall? See, the primary one everybody will tell you is stress maintenance, either through yoga or either through meditation, or if you're not able to manage your stress through either of this, do pranayamam. Even if you're not able to do that also, or if you're not having positive effect on of because of any of this, try to take a counseling session, because one counseling session can improve the perspective of how you're viewing your problem. Okay, and then a healthy diet which includes a lot of fiber, lot of protein, and decreases red meat and phytoestrogens like soya, and decrease your soya products and your red meat products, which is mutton, pork, beef, and lamb. Staying hydrated. What do you mean by staying hydrated? I drink a lot of water. See, drinking a lot of water is different, gulping down it is different, and sipping is different. If you gulp down it, that is, if you are drinking this much of water in one gulp at a time, it is of no use. Okay, try sipping water. If you sip water, that will be very beneficial to you. And also, see, there is a thirst center in the body. So if you are really feeling thirsty, your saliva will get dry, your mouth will get dry, and your body will tell you to stay hydrated. You listen to your body. If you are already hydrated, you don't have to overhydrate yourself. You can kill yourself if you are overhydrating. Drinking too much of water can also be very harmful. So listen to your body. Quit smoking and limiting alcohol. This is very, very, very important, because alcohol at least we can excuse to 20 to 30%, but smoking, the nicotine content will decrease the sperm count, it will make your skin dry, it will make your skin dark, and it will make this DHT rise, and also the hair will start to fall off really badly. So stop smoking if you want to, if you have any of these issues. Then treat nutritional deficiencies by taking proper food, and managing medical conditions is also important, and how you manage is also important. If you're taking medicines for your diseases and you're having side effects, there's no point in taking it. So try opting for something which is safe, like homeopathy. And taking good hair care, not using a lot of products, is also very helpful. What happens if you neglect your hair fall? First thing, if your hair fall is because of any medical condition, then that should be treated. Otherwise, the medical condition can have a bad prognosis where we are not able to treat it anymore. And also the hair will start falling off, receding, becoming thin, and you might go completely bald. So do not neglect your hair fall, especially because hair fall is related to the internal health. Not only internal physical health, but also your mental health. Next, coming into the consultation part, if you are someone suffering from hair fall and you would like to get in touch with us, you can contact us either through online consultation, which has two options, audio and video consultation, or if you're staying nearby the nearest branch of Fiticus, you can come and consult us in person. After the doctor consultation is done, if we need, we will ask you for any sort of investigations. If you already have them, you can share it with us. After all this process is done, especially the online consultation, the medicine will be sent directly to you to your doorstep. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days, and across the globe anywhere, it will take 4 to 8 business days. If you would like to get in touch with us, you can call us, WhatsApp us, ping us, or messages on this number which is shown on the screen. If you would like to know more about us, you can check our website www.fiticus.com. If you're someone suffering from hair fall, you are looking for a proper cure, why should you choose Fiticus Homeopathy? See, Fiticus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we follow 3 principles. We are already treating cases who are having hormonal imbalance, having side effects of allopathic medications, and who are having this hair fall issue with high success rate. The transparent treatment, there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. We will explain everything to you in detail regarding your prognosis. And also the personal care. If you are having any sort of queries or if you are having any sort of doubts, we will clear it to you. The personal care here at Fiticus is top notch. If you are looking for cure, try opting Fiticus Homeopathy. Thank you.